GCash app not opening on your phone. So you're trying to open up the GCash application on my phone. You'll get to it's taking too much time, and once it gets started loading, and right after that, it's automatically heading back to the home page. You'll get to see I have done nothing and it's heading back to the home page. So if you're experiencing the same problem that the GCash application is not opening, then here's the real guide of how you can actually fix the problem. This method is gonna work 110%. So all you have to do is just need to keep watching the video till the very end. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go ahead and press and hold the GCash application from your phone, and then simply go ahead and tap on App Info here. Now, once you tap on App Info, this will get into the App Info, and at the bottom right, you'll get to see the Clear Data button. You just need to tap on Clear Data, and then tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on OK. Now, once you have done, you just need to get back from here, and here's the important thing that you need to do. You just need to head over to the Settings app of your phone, and once you're here inside the settings of your phone, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and you just need to find out the additional settings. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one, scroll down, and you'll get to see the developer option. You just need to find out the developer option on your phone. The settings can be different based on what device that you're using. So I'm going to tap on developer option, and all you have to do is just need to toggle up the developer option. And once you have toggle up the developer option, you're pretty much good to go. You just need to get back from here. Now this time, go ahead and open up the GCash application from your device, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. You'll get to see my problem has been fixed, and now it's not heading back to the home page. It's working perfectly, right? So this is how you actually can fix the GCash application not opening problem on any Android phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.